w'abalwanyi General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni atuuse. Tumuwubire alina akalulu saakanya. Mwali mu nyumba mwali. Akalulu ka President kaliwa. Akalulu ka President kaliwa. Ako ka chairman w'ekyalo. Akalulu ka President kaliwa. Mukwano gwange akwasakanyiza sound yono. Kalungi omukulu waali tewakyali kwebwalabwala tewakyali kwebusaabusa. Omukulembeze nga bwe tuzze tumulanga waali. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, I take the honor and privilege of informing you that His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, has arrived.
Keep moving back. Let's go a little bit back. Move backwards. I don't want to push anybody here.
With His Excellency, the President.
Yeah, let's move backwards. Why are you not listening? You don't even listen. What do you do? You want us to push you?
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I take the honor and privilege to inform you that the President of the Republic of Uganda is at the Napping Trade Show 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, it's also important for us to listen to the developer of our industrial park, Mr. Zang. Yes. Omwami Zang ajja kuba naye atubuuzaako katono atununule embeera bwe badde etambula akola emirimu ekifo ky'okubeera bali mukuleera emidaala gyali mukubako eriiso abantu mubanyumire mubagambe kitwali kwenyogerera ali eyo atambula ayita mu midaala egy'enjawulo. Ladies and gentlemen, you are warmly welcome to the Napping Trade Show 2024.
Let's go. Move back. Nani saidia mimi na hao watu wenye wanabaki nyuma. Where are you going?
Wanyizana uli akalezi wa faida. Enyimba zana atambula nazo mukawulawula.
Don't collide. We don't have space here. Mimi na wakati I'm going to lock these ones here.
We are live on Soul TV. We are live on NBS TV, Next Media. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live on Sanyuka TV. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live on the operation. Media houses present, we thank you so much for covering our event. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, the President is en route. Please get up on your feet. Let's give him a special welcome because he is here.
If you want to get better.
These are all the products we do with our ladies. All of these products are made in Uganda, from arts to the textiles to the bags, banana wine, coffee, and drinks and sugar cane. And your electric motorbike is here, Museveni. This is the newest model that has just come out. Thank you for the land. We should assemble and include
Uganda, so.
Energy on the move. All of this branding I do it here. Where? Where?
We don't pass there. We will talk to the other side.
Move. Let us move. Let us move. Move. Don't be near this. Open out a bit and then you take it. First open. Move. Kelangan. Break the gap. Move. Let us move. One step at a time, boss. Okay, let's go. Let's move. Nani umpatie gao? Hello. Okay. If you are done, please move. Closer. Please pass the other side. Pass down. Others the other pass behind. Let us move. You can stand here and then okay. But you have looked up. Move. Usijali, niko mbele yao.
So they made in Uganda and
No, tuko hapa tuna Hala, sasa tuzinue suruali hiyo. Kabisa. Naona kala sio mbaya. Lakini pesa ni ngapi? Bado let's move. Hili ni kanipata.
Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Wasewale manyawo wali munyumba. His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni atuse.
Okay, we are coming here for the accident. Let's go here.
Here?
Yes. You come here.
Your Excellency, you are very welcome.